Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Usumbun Menteri Rambak Kajalau ba Prestun Tensong uloong baga Coal India kaladap banlilam silak metrik ton Dewïong naga laipu arlak metrik ton ubadon hamegalaya. Bat la airu ki Challan ban kit Dewïong bat tang ki Trok ki badan Challan ki bala ban Ïaid Surok. Bat la ki bayo Challan ki Ïaid kamde ke jing Ïaid be an.
Once FIR is filed means it has to be registered. There is no question of unregistered. Police cannot do that. They need to register. Where is the illegal transportation? Because now auction has taken place. You knew it well. And that also the process done by the Coal India. And then not less than now almost 1 lakh metric ton has been auctioned. And then those people who got the Challan, then they are traveling. I mean the trucks are moving. So not illegal. It is legal. That is legal as per the Challan. Because why? That's what I'm telling you. This process has been completed. Done by whom? By the Coal India. They auction. Because we do have 31 plus almost 32 lakhs metric ton. So out of that, I think not less than 1 lakh metric ton auction process completed. And then Challan issued. So you should see from the press, please go and find out. Don't just listen from Tom, Dick and Harry. Please go and find out, meet the DMR, meet the forest. Because see, I'm telling you, don't just listen from anybody, because see, your papers ultimately, it becomes cheap. You need to also understand. You please go and see, meet the director of mineral resources, how many Challan issued, how many rocks, how many hundred or how many thousand Challans you issued. Against what? It should be that way. That's what I'm telling you. Just because people saying that, oh, this is illegal or this is legal, I think you will get the right information if you go to Mining and Geology Department, Directorate of Mining and Geology, go and ask how many books of Challan issued. I think that only you will get all the clarity.
Hakani kajing kendu bigilat patai kubur uba Prestun Tensong ula keren ru sapang katanat boarding kajing keren yesuk apareng ke sarkar bar ke HNLC kajing keren unong yalam TMC halo ke Smart City Project bar kajing pentrekam ya ke PMGSY scheme hakajalla.
Number one, we passed the ordinance. Then ultimately we passed the act, the bill, and we regularize the bill. It becomes an act. And thirdly is we prepare the rules. The rules also, who passed? The cabinet only. So the question of bypassing the cabinet does not arise. It passed from the inception itself. That time we call it board, MECB. And now we call it, we incorporatize it, then we call it MECL. Even inside the house, I replied, we are spending not less than 150 crores monthly. Where are we earning only 75 crores monthly? So you understand the losses is huge. We cannot even reach to 75%. It's 50-50. So therefore, I agree, we accepted that. But at the same time, we are examining all those points raised by the CAG, and then some corrective measures has to be taken by power department along with the corporation. So we are examining all these issues one by one. Talk has started and talk will continue till we reach to a conclusion. The talk is on. So let us see. Since we already appointed interlocutor, so I think I should not. I'm not authorized to say anything on this. Let the talk continue. Let the talk complete, and then only we will be able to tell you exactly. The implementation of PMGSY scheme in the state of Meghalaya has already crossed, along with the UC that we submitted, it has already crossed 2,500 crores. Already crossed 2,500 crores. means the investment as far as road sector is concerned through the scheme PMJSY is more than 2,500 crores. Yeah. The phase 3 we are yet to get sanctioned, but the target from the government of India is we are to again have a full coverage of 1,250 kilometers. 1,250 kilometers. That is the again the target where we have to complete it. No use to respond to such allegation made, which is totally baseless. That's what I'm telling you. So the democracy that we have in India is what? Baseless allegation can be made anytime, any day, any moment. But let me just reiterate one thing. Any allegation made, please substantiate it. The law of the land is prevailing. Be it chief minister, be it deputy chief minister, be it ministers, or be it enemy. The law of the land prevails. So therefore, just reacting the allegation made, I think I don't want to make any reaction on this, because today if I say something, tomorrow again they may say, any party they can again come back saying this. I think we don't have much time. Let, as I said to you, the people of the state judge whether the allegation made is correct or not. Only just because of that statement. When I talk about the smart city Challan Limited, he said blah 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 blah. So, but ultimately everything is there, black and white. So these people means they are just trying to create confusion for the political mileage. But everything is in paper. So why not? I will also ask him. His Calcutta Smart City Limited. Tell me when was the statement of account filed? Let him tell me when was filed, because they started from 2016 and we started from 2018-19.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.